Today I will show you how to draft a simple and easy bodice pattern. Okay, so to start our simple and easy bodice drafting, we will be needing an armhole curve, a ruler, long ruler preferably, yeah. We have here also a hip curve. We have a pencil, eraser, blue pen, black pen, and importantly, our measurement, and of course, the tape measure. Alright then, after you saw how to do the proper measurement in this very simple and easy body drafting method, I will start by making the graph line. So at first, I'll put this long line. Our front figure is 17. So from here to here, you will measure 17. And from that 17, you will go down 4 for the first hips and another 4 for the second hip. From waist to apex, which is 7 3/4 here, I am suggesting if you can have an inch from that apex measurement, go high by 1 inch, and this is our graph line for the armpit. This is the waist line, hip 1 and the hip 2. Then this is the apex measurement. Let us square this going to the, so this is the graph line of the armpit. Okay, from here we will measure the half of the body measurement. Body measurement is, our hip 2 is 30, half of the body is 18. There, get the center. It's very easy, guys. 18 is 9. Because the front is 1 inch bigger than the back, you will not be confused. From 9, you need to go back by quarter inch. From that quarter inch, you will square that one going to the top. Alright, let's put first this line so it's easy for you to understand. Okay, so to check if the front is 1 inch bigger from the back, this one is 8 3/4. The front is 9 1/4. If you will times this one into 2, this is 18 1/2. If we will times this one into 2, this is 17 1/2. So 17 1/2 plus 18 1/2, this is 36. Our hip measurement is 36. And then from there, we will get the waist measurement. But before that, let's get the apex to apex measurement. Waist to apex. So this is 7 1/4, right? That's 7 1/4. You will just go down also here. 7 1/4. Put a line from here to the waist, from the waist to the hip. From the waist, from this first hip line, just go down by 1/2. Using this ruler, it's very easy. Half inch and half inch. Same thing here. Half inch and half inch. Same thing in the back. Whatever you have here, 3 1/8. Also here by 3 1/8. 1 inch, half and half is to the apex line, 4 inches down from the waist. And create a dart. Hope you are following. I make it much easy and much simpler to do. And this is professional technique. From here, we will get the measurement of the waist. Look, this is 3 1/8. Do not count the dart. And there, our measurement is only 26. But this measurement is 32, 16. So what you will do, the 26 is 13. From here, you will go 1, 2, 3. So this is 3. Divide this 3 here. 1 1/2 here and 1 1/2 here. And then you will check the first hip. The first hip measurement is 34 1/2. So this is 35 3/4. We are needing only 34 1/2. So 34 1/2 is here. So we will divide 5/8. So 5/8 One is here and one is there. We'll put the hip shape by using this one. As you can see, the measurement, the gap measurement here and the gap measurement here is same thing here. Look, check. This is same, but when you measure this side and when you measure the front is 1 inch bigger than the. We are done in the construction of the waist, the hip. So we will go now to the drafting of the bodice, right? As we measured before, from here to here is 17. That is the front figure. Let us square this one going to the back. Right? And this one. From this line to down, we will be having a graph line of 5.5. So this is our across line. The middle front measurement is 14. The 14 is here. The middle back, which is 16. There. Okay? That's 16. Measure the back shoulder, which is 14.5. Our shoulder is 4.5. Let's get the 4.5. Okay, so this is our back. And in the front, we will use this as our guide. This one is 1 1/8. So 1 1/8 is there. 4.5 is 4.5. But before that, we need to check that the front shoulder is small. The back shoulder is 14.5 and the front shoulder is 13.5. So 13.5 is there, which is correct. Look, 6 3/4. 4.5 here to here. Then this is front neck. And then let's taking the across measurement. Let's start from the back, which is 13 3/4. 13 3/4. Front is 12.5. So this is 6 1/4 there. Before we get the armhole, let's get first the bust measurement. So the bust measurement is 34.5. So this is our graph line for the bust. So it measures, how much is our 34.5? This is 36.5. So we need a gap from here about 1 inch, which is half and half. Look, it's all the same gap. Now let's do the checking. Here, this is 8 1/4, 8 3/4. So 8 1/4 and 8 3/4. That means the front is bigger than the back. Can you see the graph line of the armpit? Should be 3/4 or at least 1 inch higher than the apex. In the front, let's make a gap here of 1 inch. You can connect this one. Connect this one. So that's it. This is the center front. This is the center back. Let's try to trace only the bodies, and I will show you how to do the dart construction, because it's better to remove the dart here and put here.